Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. I've got a pretty cool product here that we're going to review. It's called the DreamSky Auto Set Alarm Clock. There's a link in the description where you can find this item. Be sure and like and subscribe. Let's get into the video. Let's check it out. Quick look at the DreamSky Auto Set Alarm Clock box. We've got the clock feature, calendar feature, US time zone, auto set feature, alarm feature, auto daylight savings time feature, USBs, and temperature built right into this clock. Alright, so the DreamSky Auto Set Alarm Clock is going for about 22 bucks on Amazon. There's a link in the description where you can find this item. Let's unbox the DreamSky Auto Set Clock and see what we got. Okay, not a lot to it. You've got your owner's manual, you've got your clock, you've got your charging cable, and your little charging port. That's everything in the box for the DreamSky Auto Set Alarm Clock. Okay, just a quick look at the owner's manual. Very straightforward. Talks about the features of this auto set alarm clock. Also talks about charging your phone or your smart device on the back of the alarm clock. Talks about your function buttons on the back of it to adjust the LED display, the brightness, setting the alarm. Alright, so let's take a little bit closer look at this clock. On the top here you've got the snooze button. On the back here you've got your dimmer display. Brighter is down. Lower display brightness is up. You've got your alarm set button plus and minus right there. You've got your date set button right there. On the back, one of these USB ports will be used up by your power plug, and you'll have a free USB port to charge other items. You do also have a battery included or built into this unit as well for when the power goes out. The setup of this auto set alarm clock is very straightforward. We're going to go ahead and get things plugged in here, turn it over. We're going to plug it into USB 1 on the back. Plug this into our little adapter. Plug this into an outlet. And then we're going to take off the little film of plastic. Alright, so I am in a Mountain Standard Time zone. It's currently 12:22. So I'm going to hit the time set button right here. So we're not on Eastern Standard Time, so I'm going to hit the button. Not on Pacific Time. There we are, Mountain Standard Time. Okay, Auto Daylight Standards Time on, yep. 12:25, okay, that's looking better. 12:18 date is right, yep. Fahrenheit, yep, that's right. Okay. That all looks right. Alright, well there we go. We got 12, my phone says 12:26. December 18th. Okay, that's looking better. So on the back, to set this, I had to hit time set, and then to change the time zone I had to hit the plus arrow to go from Eastern Time to Pacific Time to Mountain Standard Time. So that was the only catch. Just taking a look at some of the functions of the DreamSky clock. So on the back we do have the dimmer. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust the dimmer just to demonstrate how that works. It's on the back right side. I'm going to go ahead and just dim it all the way down just to show you. You can go all the way black on this. Kind of a cool little function. Get a little bit closer look at some of the buttons on the back here too. And like I say, you do have one USB port used up. You have a free USB port. You have your alarm set. You have your alarm off right there. You have your plus and your minus and your time set right there. Your snooze button on top. Alright, with this clock, the alarm is very straightforward and easy to set. You simply hold in the alarm button for 3 seconds. It'll start flashing. You get the hour to flash, and then you can hit the up or down button to change your hour. We're going to set it to 9 o'clock. Hit the alarm set button again. That flashes to minutes. Again, hit the up or down button to change your minutes. We're going to set it to 9:15. Hit the alarm set button again to set it. I need to hit the plus button, 9:15. The alarm set button again. It is now set for 9:15. To turn your alarm off and back on, you get the little alarm icon right there. So it is now set for 9:15 p.m. and we'll check it out here in just a minute. Also going to show you real quick, you unplug the power, clock shuts off, just plugging it back in, picks right up where it left off. Okay, time to check out the alarm, see what that sounds like, and if the snooze button actually works. There she goes. Louder and louder until I get your attention. And snooze button works. Then it says 8 minutes from now it will re-alarm, and on, rinse and repeat. Time to go over some of the strong points of the DreamSky auto set clock starting right now. Strong point number 1 is the obvious, the auto set function. You gotta love that. Strong point number 2 is the low price point, $22 or thereabouts on Amazon. There's a link in the description where you can find it. Strong point number 3, you get a bonus temperature and the date included right there in the display. Strong point number 4, a nice large display that is also fully dimmable. Strong point number 5, the auto daylight savings time feature. Really nice, twice a year. Unless you live in Arizona, then it doesn't matter. Strong point number 6, this has the ascending alarm beep feature with snooze. Alright, let's go over a few of the drawbacks of the DreamSky auto set alarm clock starting right now. The first drawback I noticed, you only have one USB port once you plug in the power. Second drawback, no radio function on this thing. Third drawback I noticed after doing some testing, the alarm doesn't work when it's unplugged from power. Like, really? So overall you're wondering, is this product worth it? Is it worth the $22 they're asking? I'd have to say yes. I'd have to say it has more strong points than it does drawbacks. The $22 will save you a whole bunch of frustration. If you've ever had one of those clocks where you have to hold in the minutes and then hold in the hours, and you've had it going so fast that you've missed the time and you have to go all the way around the 12-hour cycle again, this is definitely the product for you. It also makes a great gift, or if you just have a spare guest room or a bedroom or something, this thing is awesome. So I would give it 2 thumbs up. I'd recommend it. I give it 4 out of 5 stars. There's a link in the description where you can pick one of these up. Go find one right now. Here's the new DreamSky clock in our guest room, all set up and ready to go. So I hope this video has been really helpful. Please be sure and leave a comment. Let me know where you're using this particular clock and what you think of it as well. Also be sure and like and subscribe to my channel. Check out these other videos I've got going on, and I'll catch you guys later.